Don't forget, guys, if you want any BrispyCinnaBlunts merch, head over to BrispyCinnaBlunts.com. You can get yourself a t-shirt, a hoodie. We got new designs. We got long sleeves now. Just tap that explore button when you go to the page, and you'll see all the new merch we got going on. If you want, you can either get yourself a stunt seat for your new or old bike. You can build it however you want. You can get whatever colors you want. So don't forget to check that out, and let's get back to the video. Yes, sir. Today's the day. We're finally going to do a frame swap. Get rid of this ratchet strap. I got my boy Jameson coming over, but I'm going to just go ahead and set it up right now so it's ready when he's here. Alright, now that we got everything in an area where we could work, I'm going to go ahead and start taking the tank off. So as you can tell, the only other thing I did was take the rear subframe off, and so I can actually paint it. So I got that painted. So that's why the bike already looked pretty broken down, but it was only the subframe that came off. So now I got the tank off and I got the airbox off, and I'm just gonna wait for my boy so I can pull the rest of this apart. There's certain spots that like in here on the inside that there's like little drips, but it's all on the inside. Like it's not anywhere on the outside that you can see.
Yeah.
There's like one drip right here on top, but other than that, like...
Dude, fuck the drips. Who cares? It looks so much fucking better. Like in video, it looked good, but
yeah,
it doesn't look.
I still gotta see it in the sunlight. There's not good sun out yet. So.
I love that. I love that you went 2 different colors. Because honestly, I might just go all purple with mine, and then just have little accents like, you know, the foot pegs and like the levers and shit be gold.
Yeah.
Like the cage and the frame is just all purple.
Hella. Yeah, I was debating for a while, like, should I do the subframe the same color? Like, should I do all the metal the same color? Like, or what? But
you could probably take the subframe out a lot easier than the fucking frame. And
oh, for sure. That shit. I took that out no problem. I mean, I didn't need your help.
So, like,
I was gonna leave it in and leave the battery tray in there and just like pull all the wiring out.
Right.
But then this way, I don't even have to really pull the wiring out as long as we just keep the battery tray. I'm just gonna flip it over and put it on top of there, so that way you don't have to pull all the wiring off the motor and shit. So because I was just gonna pull all the wires out and basically redo the wiring harness again, but
did your bike look lowered? What the fuck?
it just looks funky.
Right
it looks funky because there's no subframe on it.
It really looks like
it's no different. It just looks funky because there's no subframe on it. It looks like a fucking drag bike.
Yeah, I literally thought for a second you disconnected the suspension or something.
No. It's all still in there, bro.
We're gonna be filming you working on the bike.
And you just
standing here laps. Just smoking and just kind of hanging out, watching you work. Coffee, checking my phone.
That's gonna look funny as shit on a time lapse. You can
I missed that bike.
Everyone's gonna think we're looking at YouTube videos if I can figure out how to take the fucking picture out. forks off. We got the handlebars off, triple tree. We just got to get this fucking thing off. Figure that out, probably with a chisel. And pull this off. And then that's pretty much it for the front end, except for the radiator. Gotta pull the radiator off. And we did pretty much everything for the motor too. That should be everything for the motor, but I guess we'll find out when we drop it. So just gotta take the rest of the triple tree off, whatever you wanna call this thing. And then we gotta do the swing arm. And then we'll be pulling the fucking frame. Let's go! got the frame off. Fucking one of the motor mounts was stuck into the frame. So we had to cut it and do a bunch of bullshit, but we now got that loose. We are no longer disassembling and we're fucking hyped. Now I can finally start throwing this frame back on. I got the swing arm painted. I want to show you my numbers. So I got the swing arm painted. I had to say that one twice because I fucked it up. And yeah, ready to reassemble. My GoPro died, so the rest of this is going to be on my phone. But we're hyped. Let's go. Let's fucking go. Frame went on a lot easier than it fucking came off. That's for sure. Got the swing arm on. We got my boy doing all the work, as he should. Just here supervising, you know? All right, we got that far. And then it's time to put the shotgun. All right, we're kind of rushing through the last bit, but swing arm's on, brakes on, back wheels on, forks are on, and triple tree and everything. We're just trying to make sure this cage fits on. And then I just got the subframe. And then it's gonna be a whole bike again. It already looks like a motorcycle. But yeah, we just gotta do that. And help my boy right now, because he's getting to it. We're in a hurry. Day 2, I'm back in here. The homie had to go last night. We got like 90% of it done. He put in a lot of work. We were out here for like 10 hours, so he left at like 10 last night. I just gotta button up a couple of things. I gotta put the battery tray in. I gotta do some couple things with the cage, and put the tank back on. And other than that, it should be about ready. So I'm just gonna button up those couple of things. Gotta put the rear fender back on. And that's about it. Should be good to go. Let me know what you guys think about the new look in the comments. You like it? You hate it? Let me know. This green's gonna look a lot better in the sun too, because it's actually a color change green. So you can kind of tell right now it looks a little gold right there, but it's gonna look a lot better in the sun. I'm gonna just finish buttoning this thing back up. But this is actually, now I can show you the cracks. So that was cracked all the way through here, all the way on the inside too. Oh, I didn't film it very well. Let's try that again. So all the way through on that side, and then on this side, can't really tell as much. I think it just cracked to here. So yeah, that's why we swapped the frame. And then, so yeah, I'm just gonna do those little things. I'm gonna put a couple pads right here for my tank. This side, maybe right here too. And that's about it. I gotta bleed my brakes. All right, guys, the moment of truth. Let's see if this thing starts up. I'm gonna prime it a couple times. Make sure there's a good amount of fuel in the injectors. All right, the moment you all been waiting for.